Hello, this is Alex with the Panatrack Solution Consulting Team, and today we're going to review the Panatrack Verify Order transaction on PanatrackerGP. Order fulfillment, as we discussed in our previous video, can be a complex process and plays a pivotal role in customer satisfaction. For organizations who are looking for a two-step process with one round of order picking and a second of order packing, we offer the Verify Order transaction. With the use of box IDs, much like you've seen on packages from Amazon, packing lists can be generated as items are placed into boxes. For customers building large orders, Panatrack can also enable a pallet ID, which captures boxes as they're placed onto pallets or containers at the conclusion of the pack. In the same way that we ensured pickers were confirming the correct product in the order fulfillment transaction, the order verify transaction is adding that second layer and allows for detailed records to be captured. This includes lot or serial verification if required. With the ability to capture a shipping box, Panatrack allows you to build packing lists as well as offers integration with shipping solutions such as Starship. If capturing which pallet a box went on is important to your process, PanatrackerGP allows users to record that information as well. Once a sales order is fulfilled, it can be made available for verification on the Panatrack device. This can be controlled in a number of ways, including by batch ID. The Panatrack Verify Order or Pack Order transaction is accessed from the transaction list, and the user is first asked to select the order that they are verifying. This can be done through the manual process of keying that in, the lookup list, or scanning the barcode if it's printed on any of our materials. Next, a user is presented with the item field. Here, our user scans the item to verify that it's the correct item for that particular order. Once the quantity is entered, the shipping box can be assigned through a barcode scan. Once the shipping box is assigned, our user is prepared to move to the next item. As they work through this list, that user will validate all of their items and quantities. For those items that have lot numbers, when a user scans a lot tracked item, they are first presented with the opportunity to scan the lot number. This is verifying that the correct lot number that was removed from the shelf is packed. Once the lot number is confirmed, our user enters the quantity of the lot, and it's added to the shipping box. Our user can move on to their final item, scanning that, and entering in their quantity once again. The user is now taken to our final screen, allowing the capture of additional flex fields and the pallet ID if necessary. That can all be entered in right on the Panatrack scanner. The user is now presented with their review screen showing all of the items and quantities that have been packed, and they submit the transaction. The user can now move on. Once an order is verified on the Panatrack scanner, the shipping box and pallet ID information are updated and added to the ship pack tables. This supports any processes or integrations necessary. Organizations using a two-step order fulfill and a verify process can be assured that orders are picked correctly and that the packing information captured is accurate, ensuring customer satisfaction. By verifying items and quantities, capturing shipping details, including pallet level information, Panatrack makes the process of creating proper packing lists and your integrations with shipping programs easier than ever. The use of barcoding and order verification will enhance the customer experience and reduce the wasted costs of resolving issues. We are looking forward to helping your team improve the order fulfillment and verification process. Please contact us by email, phone, or the Contact Us form on our website, www.panatrack.com.